Hey guys, it's morning in GT and we at the market, Stabroek Market. So we're having a customer that have issue with her vehicle and she's complaining about the noise. While he's driving, she getting a noise. So we're here, apprentice Timothy, and we're here to get it fixed and started as to what's going on with the car. So let's take a look. So the engine is keeping a knocking noise as it's starting up, and even when she's driving. So we're here to take a look and do the diagnostics. So our next video coming from Mechanic Saras, Ryan's mechanic shop. So let's go give it a start up and let me see what's going on. So let's hear the noise it's making and we can make an assumption as to what's going on and do the diagnostic for the vehicle. Alright, so the noise is there, the noise is there. Let's see what will be the outcome. Shut it down. Now guys, in order to do this diagnostics, it's very simple, but if you don't know what you're doing, just get advice from a professional mechanic. Alright, and as you can see, if you could hear it real good, you could hear it right there, is the water pump. So along with me, Timothy, second checking it just to make sure. Yeah, it's a water pump. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out and then we replace it. And Guyana here, if you get a brand new, it'd be better. But if not, we gotta settle for the foreign use. But they have some good quality foreign use. So yeah, quality is what we're looking for. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take that out and then we're gonna replace it. What you wanna do first, I would normally put on back the belt and then get it started. So just take an extension, put it between the water pump, chock it off, and just lock all three of the 10mm bolts them, and then you take off the pulley, the belt pulley, and then we take off the water pump. Guys, you want to know that you want to make sure that when you're doing this, of course you might lose some coolant if you have it, so you want to replace back the coolant with the original coolant that the car comes with. So we're gonna take off the water pump. That's the water pump there, and then before you take off the water pump, you're gonna see, in this case it's an NZE, there's a drain plug right there. Before you take it off, as price it off, you gotta drain the fluid. So in other words, you gotta remove this guard, right? You gotta remove the guard, drain the coolant out first so you could save it, right? And then you're gonna be able to yeah, that's the coolant here. You actually spill some, but you can't stop that because the pump, the pump gotta take off. So you're gonna take off the pump and then you're gonna see the condition. So there we go, there's the condition right in there. So right in there has you have a coil, spring like, and the spring tensioning onto a bushing. This is the propeller, and here you have a bearing to the back. So in time to come, when things happen, is that what happens, corrosion get between here. As you can see, it's debris of corrosion. This is coming from using water. Water builds up iron and it causes corrosion, right? Water and iron. Water have iron inside, so after time it get corroded. So what happens, you find that this propeller here, the bearings between here and here end up getting. Alright guys, so this is what you're looking at. You gotta make sure that this gasket, if you don't have the gasket on the water pump to replace it, then you don't have a choice. I preferably use Formatec silicone. You got some other good brands out there, but like I say, we're not promoting any brands, but we use what we use in this space, getting good quality and good work done. So we're gonna go ahead and put on back our water pump, and then we're gonna start it up. Wait till it's sealed. And make sure this thing is lined up properly. So I think this is it. Yeah. Good, that's the boy for the girl. As we see thing there, So we're gonna go ahead, put in the bolts and back, and then we're gonna try it up, and then we're gonna take it from there. So you want to let it sit for like half an hour or so, the 20 minutes tops, and let it cure, and then you're gonna go and throw in back your fluids, because you don't want it to leak or anything, because you gotta do back it all over again. And we're gonna start it up. We need to do the starting up, and we're gonna see how it performs. So as you can see, we don't put on a belt, right tension. The water pump is already installed. Start up. Let me see what it can. And so compressor keeping it nice. Perseverance. But we got to go, the heavy super strong is already done. Pick up the compressor. Pick up the hook. Good. So as you can see, because we started there, the compressor, the belt was off, and we moved the car because the vehicle had to pass, and the compressor was on. So put it on back now, Lucy. Let's put the compressor. Somebody see? There we go. We're good to go. So yeah, mechanics are us. Fuel is back in the system. Coolant is back in the system. And like I said, we're at Stockbrook, Georgetown. Ambulance right here. And thumbs up, next good job. Thank you guys for subscribing. Please like our video.